Let me write an algorithm to check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Algorithm means the various steps written in simple English. So I am going to write the steps based on this logic. What is step 1 of the algorithm? You should find the number of digits in variable a. Isn't it? Here n is equal to 4. So you can write step 1 of the algorithm. Find the number of digits in the number a and store it in a variable n. So that is step 1. What is step 2 of the algorithm? Create a copy of a in variable c. So you can write step 2. Create a copy of a in variable c, and for that you can write c is equal to a. What is the third step? If c not equal to 0, you should find u. So third step is, if c not equal to 0, you should find u. What is u? Retrieve the digit in the units place, and that must be stored in variable u. So this is c. From c, how can you retrieve the digit in the units place? The method is 1634 divided by 10. The quotient is 163. 163 into 10 is 1630. The remainder is 4. So if this is c, c modulo 10 will give you the digit in the units place. So in order to get u, the method is c modulo 10, because modulus operator returns the remainder. So you can write c modulo 10 should be assigned to variable u. Now after this, you find the nth power of u and store that in variable p. Here n is 4. So you find the fourth power of 4, 4 raised to 4, and that should be stored in variable p. So find the nth power of u and store that in variable p. So you can write u star star n, u raised to n, that is assigned to p. Again, p should be added to some variable s, and for that initially some variable should be given the value 0, and after that s is equal to s plus p. So p should be added to some, and for that some variable should be given the initial value 0. So you can write s is equal to 0 at the beginning, and you can write s is equal to s plus p. Now after this, you reduce c by removing the digit in the units place. So how can you remove the digit in the units place? The method is 1634 floor division 10. It is 163.4, but floor division returns only integer part of the answer. So here you get 163. So in order to reduce c by removing the digit in the units place, the method is c floor division 10. Now this will give you 163. That should be assigned to variable c. Okay. So here I am going to write the step. Reduce c by removing the digit in the units place, and for that you can write c is equal to c floor division 10. Now repeat the process. This process you should repeat if c not equal to 0. Okay, you can write repeat the process if c not equal to 0. Finally, if s equal to a, we can say that a is an Armstrong number, otherwise a is not an Armstrong number. So finally you can write the code like this. If s equal to a is an Armstrong number, else a is not an Armstrong number. So this is the algorithm based on this logic. Now the algorithm will be converted to program.